Hi, I'm Robert.
Hi, I'm Yudee. Welcome to Eastland English.
This is our daily English conversation test number 1.
Greetings and small talk.
Greetings are things like hello and hi when you first meet someone for the first time or for the first time that day.
What does small talk mean?
Small talk equals chit-chat. It's the little things that we talk about when we first meet someone or if we just want to fill a small amount of time. We use it to warm up to bigger conversations or if we don't want to have a deep conversation with someone.
Directions.
Choose the best answer for each question.
Number 1.
Hello, how's it going? A.
I'm going to the market, thanks.
B.
I'll be going by bus.
C.
Excellent. I just got a new job.
D.
I'm going to do an English test.
The key word in this sentence is going. Going may be confusing to some people who have not heard it in this question. Do you know what how's it going means, Yudee?
Yes, I use it sometimes. It means how are you?
Correct. So this question is asking about your condition or how you feel. Therefore, we can delete A because A answers where are you going. We can also delete B because they're using the word going as a travel verb. Next, we can delete D as well because going is used as part of a verb tense. When we have going to plus verb 1, we're talking about future plans. The correct answer is C. The conversation should be, hello, how's it going?
Excellent. I just got a new job.
Number 2.
Hey, what's up? A.
I am over 6 feet tall.
B.
Nothing much. You?
C.
The bird is up in the tree.
D.
If you look above, there are clouds in the sky. The key word in this question is the word up. Up does not mean the preposition above or over. Instead, what's up means what is going on with you right now. What activities are you involved in? For example, if you see a group of people laughing and talking together, you might ask them, hey, what's up? Because up has nothing to do with how tall you are, we can delete A. The word up is also in C, but the word up in the question does not talk about location. For D, we have a similar situation with the word above. Above does mean up in some contexts, but not in the question. So we can delete D because we're not talking about location.
B is correct.
The conversation should go like this. Hey, what's up?
Nothing much. You?
Number 3.
Hi, how are you doing? A.
I am doing my English homework now.
B.
We are all going to the mall right now.
C.
We are not doing anything here.
D.
Great, thanks. I just passed my exam. The two important words in this question are both how and doing. Doing can mean an activity if the question word is what. But no, how are you doing means the same as question number 1, how are you feeling? Or how are you?
Then we can cross out A because A is talking about the activity.
It is. Excellent. Let's cross out A then.
We can as well delete B, I guess, right?
Exactly. We can also eliminate C because C answers the question, what are you doing? And we're left with the correct answer, D. The correct response should be great, thanks. I just passed my exam. And the conversation should go like this.
Hi, how are you doing?
Great, thanks. I just passed my exam.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Number 4.
Long time no see. A.
I can't see anything right now. I forgot my glasses.
B.
Yes, it certainly has been a while.
C.
I'll see you soon.
D.
See you later. The greeting in number 4 is usually used if you haven't seen someone for a long time. It's a very common expression for us if we're happy to see someone again. Answer A does have the word see in it. However, C in answer A has to do with vision, but long time no see has to do with when you saw the person last, not how well you saw the person. And both C and D are things that you say when you say goodbye.
Yes, we normally use these sentences at the end of the conversation. Number 5.
How have you been? A.
I've been to many places since we last met.
B.
There are several different ways to go.
C.
I have you to thank for that.
D.
Just a little under the weather recently.
In question 5, there are 2 keywords again, similar to questions 1 and 3. How have you been is not the same as where have you been. Let's cross off A, because A answers either where have you been or how many places have you been. B answers a question how, but how do you get there or how do you go, not how have you been. C is a thank you, not an answer to an information question.
Can you explain how to use it?
Sure. There's another way to use it. You can use it ironically. For example, if a husband and wife have been living together in a pandemic for a long time, and the wife is a good cook, she might notice her husband is getting fat. She might say to the husband, "Oh, you're getting fat." The husband might reply, "I have you to thank for that." When it's not really a thank you, it's an ironic way of saying you are responsible for it.
I see.
How have you been is similar to questions 1 and 3. It's asking about how are you, but using the present continuous tense. That means, how are you from the past up till now? Under the weather means a little bit sick or not feeling well.
Conversation 5 should go.
How have you been?
Just a little under the weather recently.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What's wrong? Number 6.
Have you heard the news? A.
No, I haven't. What's going on?
B.
Yes, I have heard the news. Thanks. And you?
C.
The news is on TV every evening at 6 p.m.
D.
There is no news to report to you. Number 6 is a common question when the person who asks the question has news that they want to share. It may be an important event in their life, or it may be an important public event. The main point of the person who asks this question is that they want to share the information with the listener. Answer B begins well. Yes, I have heard the news. That is possible. But when they say thanks and you, it makes no sense, because the person asking, have you heard the news, already knows the news. So supplying the information about when the news is on TV is not appropriate. For the same reason, D is not correct, because the person who is asking the question has the news. They're not asking you to supply news, so we can cross off B, C, and D for the same reasons. The correct answer is A, and a conversation that begins this way might go something like this.
Have you heard the news?
No, I haven't. What's going on?
My sister just got married.
No kidding, that's fantastic. Who to?
Number 7. Is it raining in this case?
Do you know if it's going to clear up soon? A.
I listened to the weather report today.
B.
I haven't heard anything, sorry.
C.
There are many rain clouds in the sky.
D.
Is it raining right now, don't you think?
Question number 7 is asking someone for information. Clear up means stop raining. Answer A, I listened to the weather report today, is part of a good answer, but the person is asking for information. So what information did you get from the weather report? If you just say, I listened to the weather report today, that's the beginning of a good answer, but you should provide what information you heard. For example, no, it's going to rain all day, or yes, it should probably clear up. Answer C is stating the obvious. That means just saying something that the person who asked the question already knows. And for D, same thing. She is stating the obvious here. It is raining right now. Both of them know that, and don't you think is asking for an opinion. However, what he's asking for is for her to provide him with a fact that he does not know. B is the best answer.
The whole conversation for number 7 should be,
Do you know if it's going to clear up soon?
I haven't heard anything, sorry.
Oh, okay, well let's check on your phone.
Absolutely.
Question number 8.
What's the weather like where you live? A.
Yes, I like the weather here very much.
B.
I do not like climate change.
C.
It is quite hot now.
D.
There is no weather at all. For question 8, the person who asks the question probably does not live in the same country or in the same area as the person they're talking to. So perhaps they're meeting for the first time, or maybe they're chatting over the internet. The answer A is an opinion and a yes answer. But the question is an information question. We can cross out A right away just because yes does not answer what. Answer B could be correct if they specified what climate change is doing to the weather in their country or in their area. However, the answer does not indicate any specific area, and climate change is happening all over the world. We can cross out B too.
Is answer D possible?
I don't think so. I don't know of any place where there is no weather at all, except possibly space. The best answer is C. And the conversation might go a little bit like this.
What's the weather like where you live?
It is quite hot now.
Where do you live?
I live in Thailand. Here it's either hot, hotter, or hottest.
That's funny.
Number 9.
What do you do for a living? A.
I am a carpenter and I work at a small company.
B.
I am making a living, thanks.
C.
I am living near the hospital downtown.
D.
My living room is very small. The phrase, what do you do for a living, means what's your job or what's your occupation. You can quite easily see that A is the correct answer. It's the only one that answers the question, what's your job? Because carpenter is a job, and furthermore, he states work at a small company. For B, I'm making a living means I am making money, but it doesn't answer the question of how the person is making money or what job they have. C has the word living in it. Here, living is used as the verb, as in where the person has their home. Finally, D also has the word living in it, but it's part of a compound noun, living room. And they're not asking about their house and where they live, they're instead asking about their job or their occupation. So the correct answer is A. And the conversation might go like this.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a carpenter and I work at a small company. How about you? What's your job?
I am a teacher. I work at a university.
I just want to say one other thing. It may be a conversation topic that is inappropriate in some cultures. However, for most cultures, it's perfectly fine to ask someone what their job is.
Number 10.
What kinds of movies do you like? A.
I am happy when I watch movies very often.
B.
There is a popular movie in the cinema now.
C.
I have seen several movies recently that I like.
D.
3D animation movies are my favorite.
Our keywords for number 10 are what kinds. That means what types or what genres. Genres are types of movies like drama, thriller, romance. Answer A does not address the question. Answer A addresses a different kind of question, maybe why do you like movies, but not what kinds of movies.
When can you use answer B?
Answer B may be appropriate if someone asks you, what would you like to do? Then you can answer, oh, there's a popular movie in the cinema right now, and then you can make the choice about going to see a movie. Answer C does have I like in the answer, and that can fool you. Sometimes the answers that are not correct will have some of the same words as the question. That is to evaluate whether or not you can understand the subtle or small differences in different questions. If the question were, have you seen any movies that you like? Then C would be appropriate. But the question is what kinds of movies, and 3D animation is a genre or type or kind of movie. So the best answer is D.
The small talk might be like this.
What kind of movies do you like?
3D animation movies are my favorite.
Really? Me too. I love them. Which one do you like the most?
Actually, there are so many movies that I like, but my favorite one is Frozen.
Thank you for watching our English conversation test tutorial.
We hope that you learned something new today.
Please like and comment below our video.
If you want to get all of our videos,
You can subscribe to our channel and click on notifications.
see you later.
See you next time. Bye-bye.